welcome back to my channel. Did you see those baby goats? They were so cute. Oh my god. So I went to go visit my friend Nelly. She invited me for breakfast at her place, and then she was telling me about these goats where her dad works. So we went to go visit them. Oh my god, I want a freaking little baby goat. They were so adorable. There was 7 of them. So adorable. Right now, I am gonna go hiking with my family. It's something that we haven't done in a long time, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna go with the boys, Cassie's sons, and my parents. So let's go. Vámonos. So the hike that we took was amazing. It's always a great time to spend time with family, and I have a lot of memories in Malibu Creek. We used to go out there to celebrate Easter, and the boys really liked it, and they definitely want to go back again. I told them that next time we could go camping. So we will definitely be going camping sometime soon. But now I am about to make some fish tacos. I'm very excited. I think I'm in my condiment era, and I am just excited to mix a bunch of spices together and see how it comes out. So I already mixed some of the spices last night, and I put it on the fish, and it's been marinating overnight. The ingredients for the spice that I'm doing, it's called Salty Seaside, and it is bay leaves, paprika, salt, celery seeds, ground ginger, dry mustard, a pinch of nutmeg, and some cayenne. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. But before we cook that fish, I'm gonna go ahead and do the little coleslaw that we do on top. So I'm going to be cutting some red cabbage, regular cabbage, and some carrots. So let's get into it. Cheers. Please don't come for my cutting skills. I'm not a profesh at all. I'm still learning. Now we are going to do the carrots. Just gonna go ahead and take the skin off, and just do it from the middle, and then we're gonna do the other end as well. All right, so I mixed everything up, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon to the mix. And usually I would add some like fresh jalapeno in here. We're gonna go ahead and add some hot honey. I love this stuff. It is So good. We just got it like a few weeks ago and now we're almost done with it. It's so good. I love like sweet and spicy things. Like that's just my jam. But we're gonna go ahead and put some of this lime juice in and then put some of the honey in, and it's gonna be good, guys. All right, that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and add the honey. And I would add salt, but the fish already has salt on it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, let's give it a try. A little bit more. That's good. All right. Now let's go ahead and start cooking the fish. Set this to the side. Alright, this is what the fish looks like. It looks so good. Let's go ahead and cook it. Okay, so they look about done, so I'm gonna transfer them onto this dish over here that I covered in napkins and paper towels. I'm gonna start heating up the tortillas.
¿Qué tiene? ¿Es una ensalada? ¿Tiene limón? ¿Aceite?
Un dressing dulcito. ¿No?
A ver qué es.
Miel. ¿Y naranja?
Podría ir con mandarina. Sí. O pedacitos de mandarina. Es ensalada.
Sí, pero sin el pescado. Nada más la pura ensalada.
Limón con hot honey,
Pero ni se haga limón.
¿no?
Se haga que es mucho. ¿Y qué eran? Como 10 pedacitos de este, porque eran como 4 o 5 filetitos.
Ah, ni conté.
Mm.
pasas un napkin, please?
Dos, si quieres.
Gracias.
Pero ahí te decía que solo era el repollo morado, blanco, ¿verdad? No morado.
Yeah.
Pero queda muy bien con el morado. Se ve más vida, más color. Ups, ya no cierra.
Alright, you guys, I tried to have my natural hair for as long as possible, but it is time for a change. I am gonna do a keratin treatment and I will show you the results afterwards. I'm here with my girl Lucy. I've been coming to her for a while, so I'm excited to have my hair straight and non-frizzy again. So let's go. You guys, look at my hair. I feel like a different person. Oh, the sun is shining. Gotta give it up to Lucy. She always does such an amazing job. I feel like just when you do your hair, it really just makes you feel a certain way. And this is exactly what I needed. But now we're off to work. And I think I'm gonna cut this video here until the next video. Cute little puppy. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. And yeah, let's go places. Let's do things. I think next week's video I'm going to be doing more recipes, so stay tuned for that. But let's go. Vámonos.